Model College Autonomous, established in 1989, is one of the most prestigious colleges in the central suburbs of Thane district. It is a pioneer teaching institution endowed with ever-supportive Karelia Samajam management, well-qualified faculty and studious learners. It is first NAC A-grade college in and around Dombivli since 2007. It is accessible through the highway as well as approachable in merely 15 minutes, a walkable distance from Thakuli station, settled in nature's lap. A perfect example of local cosmopolitan college. The Model College got its brand new campus a few years back, equipped with all modern facilities and space for sports activities too.
A subtle start in 1989 by the visionaries of our great socio-cultural organization, Karelia Samajam's Model College Dombivli, is now catering more than 6,000 students in various disciplines from junior college to PhD at its most modern campus. When our minds are inspired by some great purpose, it transcends limitations. Dormant forces, faculties, and talents become alive, and we discover great strength far more than ever dreamed. It is said, nothing great will be achieved without great men, and men are only great if they are determined to do so. On this great occasion, I remember the members, especially the founding fathers of the Samajam in the last 70 years or so, who have managed to influence us in more than one ways. Their abilities, efforts, and movements have led to achieve this rare feat of providing a sound base for primary, secondary, and higher education and service to the humanity. Your goodwill, appreciation, motivation, support, and positive vibration has a great impact in molding ourselves for the integral dimensions of the growth of this great institution. Karelia Samajam Dombivli is on a gigantic mission of rebuilding a 7-floor school with the most modern infrastructure at its original location with the aid and assistance from one of its alumni. The school would be functional in the academic year 2022. Nonetheless, best educational institutions are built with the concerted efforts of students, parents, teachers, and management. And I welcome you to be one amongst us on the saga of success. Thank you.
Entering the college, you will find the ever alert and friendly guards at the gate. Next comes the reception and the inquiry counter, where answers to all your queries are solved related to admission, fees, appointments if needed, for any other concerns are resolved promptly. This is our IT and CS labs with robust infrastructure, making students explore their creativity and interests. In this emerging IT world, these labs are well equipped with all ICT tools which professors use in teaching students during lectures and practical sessions. Here, we conduct many technical events. Here is the fulcrum that is the center of our college activities. Every year, we reverently begin our academic year and all other major events by conducting the auspicious ceremony of lighting the lamp and spreading the glow of awareness all around. Well, here are our trophies won by our diligent, intelligent, and creative students, proudly reflecting as a testimony to their hard work and that went into its achievement. The heart of the institution, that is the college auditorium, the place where all major events, training sessions, and seminars are conducted. The college focuses on all-round development of their learners. So, with studies, we get great impetus in sports too. This is our basketball and badminton court. Along with these games like Kho-Kho and cricket are also played by our students here. And after all the activities, when we get hungry, what is to be done? No worries. This is our canteen, which serves healthy and tasty food. From breakfast to lunch, you will get lots of yummy dishes for the famished youth. This is our open auditorium. This is the place where we celebrate our cultural and academic festivals. Onam, Euphoria, Model Vismayam, and prize distribution, and the most coveted convocation ceremony. This is the most favorite haunt for students, not only during the cultural event days, but often on regular days also. You will quite likely see students hanging out here in their breaks to interact and refresh their minds and ideas. Now, let's go upstairs. You can use staircase or lift. 2 parallel staircases running through the structure adds beauty and semblance to the college building. Surprised how this institution is so meticulously designed, managed, and maintained? The main vigor behind these achievements emanates from these visionaries who guide us from these administrative blocks. The best minds of the institute sit here, giving it an ambience of pedagogue discussions. They discuss, they deliberate, and open the new vista of knowledge and curiosity for the students, relentlessly guiding them on the right path that leads the students to their desired destination in life. It is said that books are our best friends. Here, we can make as many as you want. We have a library facility with a trove of over 1,000 books encompassing all genres. And a separate reading room, rendering better concentration and absorption. Spacious classroom with good ventilation and e-learning facilities gives you the leverage to bring the best out of you. We have smart classrooms with well-equipped Wi-Fi and projectors to complement the pedagogical talent. We have well-equipped physics, chemistry, biology, and electronics laboratories. for junior college with all the necessary and safety apparatus in place. Students learn and do a number of experiments here under the keen guidance of expert professors. They are guided by our lab assistants as well, with students' safety being the institute's priority. No iota of compromise is tolerated in that area. We have microbiology and life science lab in which our senior college learners conduct number of probing, experiments and research work. These labs are well equipped with high-tech, precise instruments and facilities for smooth conduct of practical and research activities. Our college placement cell always endeavors to place students in good organizations and companies by carefully grooming and training them for interviews. Career fair at KSD's Model College is renowned among nearby colleges, and every year more than 1,000 students take the benefit of this gathering. About research, I would like to highlight that we have our very own specialized Commerce Research Center, wherein students can pursue PhD and can take guidance of experts in their chosen area of research work. NSS is a government-approved social scheme and a unique way to develop personality, communication skill and be envy of other students in the college. NSS is one of the major activities performed in our college. Through NSS, we conduct activities such as blood donation, tree plantation, and many other such relevant deeds. Sometimes academic years can be stressful, but our college has remedy for it too. A trained, sensitive counselor is ready to help us with stress management and also guides us how to tackle the issue and find ways to deal with it. A separate gymkhana for indoor games awaits you. You can play table tennis, carom, chess and number of other games here. If you can't play these games, don't worry. Here, instructors are always ready to coach you.
Kerala Samajam's Model College has created its own image in the field of education in Dombivli, particularly in the higher education. Achieving the excellence is our mission. The college was accredited with grade A by NAC in all its 3 cycles of accreditation. The UGC has conferred the college with the autonomy in the year 2019. The college runs 9 undergraduate courses, 5 postgraduate courses, a PhD in commerce, and a number of certificate courses. We look forward to you to welcome you all in this institution. Thank you.
So, this is the panoramic visit to our Kerala Samajam Dombivli's Model College, an autonomous institute where the best minds meet the best learning and experience for modelites to be cherished lifetime.